Here's how you can jump from 10 or 25 gig network all the way up to 100 gig without rebuilding your entire rack. In this video, I'll show you what this switch does, what's inside it, and what's the best way to use it effectively. This is the MikroTik CRS504, and it's basically the most affordable compact doorway into 100 gig switching. If you're already running 10G or 25G and your uplinks or storage links are becoming the bottleneck, this is one of the cleanest upgrade steps you can make without replacing everything. But in my opinion, the smart way to use this switch is the breakout option. Each 100 gigabit port can be split with a breakout cable into 4 separate 25G connections. That means this one switch can scale up to 16 25 gig links if your setup calls for it. And you can mix and match however your network needs. You can run 100 gig on one port to your core, a 100 gig onto another to storage, and split a third into 4 25G for servers, and keep the fourth port for expansion. You're not locked into one mode, which is what makes this such a practical stepping stone from 10G and 25G into 100G. You also get a dedicated Ethernet management port, which is exactly what you want because you're not burning a high-speed port just to manage the device. Now, let's talk about what's actually inside this thing because people get confused about where the power actually comes from. Inside the CRS504, there are two main brains, and they both do different jobs. The real performance comes from the switch chip, the Marvel 98DX4310. That's the part doing the heavy lifting, moving traffic through the QSFP28 ports at full speed even when the network is loaded. Then you've got a small CPU inside, and its job is handling the settings and the software side of the switch. It runs Router OS and keeps the menus, monitoring, and configuration responsive, while the switch chip does the high-speed traffic work. That central processing unit isn't what's moving 100 gigabit traffic. Its job is running Router OS version 7 and handling the day-to-day management, settings, monitoring, virtual local area networks, and overall system control, while the Marvel switch chip handles the fast switching work. So, think of it like this. The Marvel switch chip moves the traffic and the central processing unit runs the brains and the menu. The power of the CRS504 is flexible too. It comes with AC with hot swap power supply support plus DC options, and you can even power it over Ethernet with an 802.3 BT. It has 2 fans for cooling, it's rated for harsh environments, and you still get a serial console port for troubleshooting. So it works in everything from a clean rack to more of a rugged install, and that flexibility is why the CRS504 is perfect for big homes with a serious setup or a growing business that is starting to outgrow their network, and ISPs that are wanting to upgrade their core, especially if you already have a 10G or 25G and want a clean step into 100G without rebuilding everything. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment of what MikroTik product you want to see next. Catch you in the next one.